Just a few weeks ago Bitcoin lovers celebrated the 11th birthday. In a couple of days the next Bitcoin halving will happen. Currently Bitcoin is trading for over $9,000. So what will happen if Bitcoin never reaches its all-time high? Bitcoin, also represented as a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency, or a digital currency, is an entirely virtual kind of money. It's sort of like an online cash edition. You may use it to purchase goods and services. This is a decentralized digital currency that can be transferred from user to user on peer-to-peer network. A network which doesn't need for intermediaries or a central bank or even a single administrator. Just look what happened to Nikkei 225 Japanese stock index. It peaked over 38,000 in 1990. After that it followed the downtrend until 2014, and in 2015 it managed to peak its second all-time high, which is almost 25,000. Same happened to Bitcoin. It also peaked at all-time high in Q4 2017, which is over $20,000. Its second all-time high is over $13,000 until 2020. It is built to be highly stable in Bitcoiners' eye. It has track records for over 11 years. Overall growth for development, infrastructure and adoption are not slowing. It can be said the risk of investment is like binary, whether it's 0 or 1. In recent days Bitcoin's next halving will occur. Previously Bitcoin miners would get 12.5 BTC for each block. After this halving they will get 6.25 BTC. Bitcoin specialist says, after this halving Bitcoin price will dominate the entire market and it could hit its all-new all-time high. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting video like this one. Also press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I posted a new video.